Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you use standby mode in your iPhone without connecting your charger. So guys, if you want to use standby mode in your iPhone without connecting a charger, here I will show you how can you do this. So first of all, go back to your home screen and from here open up settings in your device. So I scroll it below from here and you have to simply tap on standby. So from here you can easily turn on standby mode in your iPhone from here. So you can also read this message for your standby. Standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames or clocks. So guys, here you can easily read this. You can only use your standby mode in your iPhone when you plug your charger with your device. So guys, here you will see this. If I plug my charger in my iPhone, the standby mode will start working on my iPhone. So guys, here you will see this. Simply lock your screen. So guys, here you can see this. If I plug in my charger, the device will go in standby mode. So guys, if I plug out my charger, the standby mode will not be working anymore. So guys, here you will see this. So guys, unfortunately there is no way to use standby mode without charging. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.